Alright, hi guys. It's finally sunny and nice today. It's 16 degrees right now. It's not summer weather anymore. It's fall now, or autumn you so call. And today I'm gonna be preparing my pond for the winter. So as you can see, I gotta trim down the watercress and some branches over there by the waterfall, and the temperature goes down below 10 degrees at night time and the water is kind of chilly. I'm still waiting for my thermometer to monitor my water temperature, but right now I'm guessing it's about maybe 12 degrees. Maybe I'll get a thermometer and check it out. But you can see the fish staying low now. Yep, they are staying at the bottom because of the temperature. So I stop feeding them from now on. So let them get ready to hibernate. So this is gonna be my third year for this pond. Yeah. So as you can see, I have my $10 inflatable boats and 2 buckets ready. As if you have seen my video of building up this pond, you can see that my backyard is on a slope. So I had to put some soil to raise up that corner right there. So now it's kind of cool and wet, so that side of the pond is really soft, so I don't want to walk around that edge over there that might sink down that side against the fence there, and I try not to in any time of the year anyway. So that's why I'm using the inflatable to go down here and trim up the watercress, harvest them and trim them back along the edge so they don't die down in the winter time. So hopefully they can go back up next year. And some branches over there cover the waterfall, so I'm gonna do that too. First let me get the digital thermometer to check the water temperature. It must be really cool. That's why the fish staying low down there now. Alright, so I have this digital thermometer, so I'm gonna try to get the temperature of the water on the surface. So right now it's still at 16 degrees, as you can see there, 16.2. I'm not sure you can see through the camera, but 17. Went up to 18. 18.3. Yeah, so that's the temperature. Well, so I'm gonna try to clean up the watercress and these branches and try to bring in this plants here. I don't remember the name of it, but when I bought it, they told me that I should bring it inside or they would die in the winter time. These are water iris. Apparently I was told that they can survive in the winter time. I just need to trim them down and they will grow back up in the spring. So, and I got a little wooden house there that my woodworking buddy built for me to cover this control box for the 3 barrel filter system there. Yeah, I'm gonna put that away too. Okay, let's get started with the watercress harvest and tree trimming. Go down. Oh. Stay. The bucket is too tight. Alright. I think I'm set using this one as much better. Leave this bucket up here for now. No room. Turn up my got full bucket of watercress. Okay, let's get it up. Now I'm gonna trim off the excess. Otherwise it would die and then it will make my pond dirty. Oh, water getting. I want to use my hand. No room for this one. For the watercress. Now I'm gonna trim off those branches over there. I won't poke my boat. Alright guys, so I finally got everything done now. So I got a bucket of watercress and some scrap vegetable. I'm gonna go to the compost. I got my solar light up. I'm gonna clean them up and put them away inside the house. As you can see, all the watercress are trimmed, and these branches where the water falls to. Alright, so now I'm going to use this bucket, spare bucket from the Damajron that I use for wine making. This is a spare one. I'm going to bring this plant inside for the winter. So I transfer this over to the bucket and fill it up with some pond water. Came out. Oh. The roots went out and buried under the rocks. Look it up. All right. Well, I'm gonna bring it inside first. And I'm bringing some pond water. So now I'm gonna leave it under the deck. And when it gets colder, I'm gonna bring it inside the house. Well, I keep it inside here for now. Now, I'm gonna fill it up with some pond water. All right, that's 10 gallons of pond water. That should be good for now. So I keep it here until the temperature falls below 0. Then I will bring it inside. Because last year I left some taro plants outside here, and the temperature fell below 0 degrees and it died. So I better remember to bring this one inside, otherwise it will die again. That's it for now, guys. The next step, I'm gonna clean my 3-barrel filtration system and shut it down, and so stay tuned for my next step. And I'm gonna shut down my 3-barrel filter system, so stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.